QlikView Connector for NetSuite. Vanta's consulting group carries four main business solutions, namely NetSuite, ClickView, Vanta's HR, and mobile application. And our business covers the region of Greater China. ClickView is the big data analysis and business discovery tool. It allows business users to analyze incredible volumes of disparate data to identify new opportunities and solve previously unsolvable problems, providing them with a unique competitive advantage. At the heart of associative search is the ClickView concept of green, white, and gray. ClickView lists entities of interest to the user. The user selects an entity and ClickView immediately highlights the selection in green and all the remaining entities in either white or gray. Not associated entities are deemed to represent the opportunity. ClickView's complete associative experience on top of data coming directly from external big data sources and enables users to combine that big data with data stored in memory. ClickView can seamlessly connect to multiple data sources together within the same interface, including NetSuite, Facebook, and others, allowing the business users to associate data across the data silos. Using ClickView, organizations complement their centralized NetSuite reporting capability with instant, user-driven analysis, enabling decision-making at the speed of business. The QlikView Connector used with NetSuite enables their user to perform quick, flexible, visual, ad-hoc analysis. So let's take a look at the associative experience. I'm going to take on the role of the global head of sales at this company. I have a dashboard where I can see several KPIs related to my business, including information about sales, margin, and customers, which can identify the business performance issue. The red bar here is indicating the sales performance. It's showing the sales margin is negative in that period. So I can circle it to see what happened. After that, it shows the total sales in United States and Canada is in red as the sales performance are not doing good in these countries. So I select US and Canada directly on the KPIs scorecard. And then click the product to see the product categories and how they're performing in these countries. I discovered that mountain bikes have the highest sales and lowest margin. At this moment, I'd like to know the situation of the sales margin if not selling the product. So I select mountain bikes. And then right-click, choose Select Excluded. Then back to the dashboard. Sales margin become positive on June 2010 if I'm not selling mountain bikes. That's the end of the demo of identifying the business performance. There are some benefits to the NetSuite customers, such as they can discover the business opportunity in NetSuite through the big data analysis. Last but not least, the reasons for selecting Vantas as a trusted IT partner are that we are an excellent end-to-end business solutions provider and expertise in SaaS ERP, HRMS, and BI solutions implementation. Besides, we have strong customer references in Hong Kong, Greater China, Macau, and Taiwan, and state-of-the-art software development technology. For more information, please visit us at www.vantissol.com. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.